Welcome to another episode for Channel Here Carbon Media. This is Mikey. Today, kasama natin si Glenn, Smiley, and we are now here at the Grupo Toyota or Swap Meet. Let's go! We're now here at our booth and here at the Swap Meet. Ito, ang seller natin for today si Smiley. Yun no, daming abubots ni Smiley. Ito si Glenn no. Ano pambenta mo?
Detailed approach lang po. So,
detailed approach.
Kung kailangan niyo ng magdi-detail na nag-home service, ito 0917-315-2586. Yan
ang promotion. So ayan, so nandito sa Swap Meet din yung mugs ko for sale for today. Very cheap. Kasi mga friends natin, sama-sama na kami. Ayan, yung Toms. Kasi Eric, maraming abubots eh. Here's a Nets emblem. Lexus logo. Ayan, ito yung mga parts. Ayan, let's check out the Swap Meet. So, we're now here at the Swap Meet. So, ikot na tayo. So, let's check out the booths. Let's check out the cars here at the Swap Meet and also the booth. So, sa tabi namin, ayan, we have the Parts Pro booth. Syempre, one of our brand partners. Check natin, they have their Firefly to eh. They call this the Firefly na Rota. Plus ayan, mga suspension, KYB. Oh, may all-in sila oh. Then, ST and KW suspension. Kasi ito din yung mga magagandang Rota that is on sale. Hey! Hey! So ayan, going back, so ayan, maraming products ngayon si Parts Pro dito. They also have the JBLs, then mga LED, and ayan, maraming bubot. So ayan, pili lang. So let's go to the next booth. So let's check out the next booth here. We're now here at Run Stop. Let's check out their products. So syempre ayan, they have the rotors. Ito mga rear disc brakes. Ito yung mga pangharap, and also their pads, meron na silang pads. So shout out to Run Stop. Hi boss. Hello. Ayan. Check out natin tong booth ng Ever Since. Ayan oh. What's up? Hey. Ayan. After midnight in the house. Hey, ever after. O patingin ang booth nyo. Anong meron dito? Ayan, the shirts. The after midnight shirts are here. To. Gusto ko to eh. Meron na ako nito. Then anong tawag mo dito?
Hindi ko din alam eh.
Ayan o, yung sticker niya after me, Ever Since stickers. Check natin yung mga bagong labas ni Monay. O, to. Acid wash. Tama ba? Ganda o, acid wash. Let's check the other designs. Eugene! Delinquent.
Lumang anime.
Ayan, lumang anime. Galing o, with a Bozozoku car. Ghost Fighter. Ano to isa? Ghost Fighter din. Oh, Onizuka. Okay. For this one.
Yan si Onizuka.
Oh, ang galing! Motor din.
Jojo.
Ito. What car is that? Z. Nice. Ganda. So how much for the new shirts?
900 siya pero discounted
for today. Ayan. 700 for today. Ito, gusto ko to eh. Magkano to?
500 na lang.
Oh, yun. Sige. I'll get one.
Tatlo na lang kasi si Smiley kumuha na eh.
Ayun. Nabudol. We're now here with G. Hey. So, ikot tayo. Sama natin si G. So, ano yung mga booth dito?
Meron tayong booth from Agila Autoglass, Parts Pro, Momo, we have friends from Run Stop, we have Ever Since, we have Furukawa Battery, nandito rin si C-Oil, syempre, Agila Autoglass. Visit their booth kasi may mga freebies dyan. Just have to register, then play the games. Parang doon sa Agila may ping-pong ball.
Nice.
Yeah, so, ang dami pang mga stall dito ng mga friends natin from other car clubs. Saka yung mga malalakas pang budol ng mga Toyota people sa baba. Dami dito.
Ikot tayo doon mamaya sa baba. So, for now, let's check out the cars. Let's check out some of the cars here. Op. Oh, let's check out the cars to. Kilala ko to. Vios Gen 1. Kay Anton ata to eh. So ayan, let's check out. Ooh, a Verso Fun Cargo. And a GR86. Is that a Veloz? And an Altis. Ayan, ganda. Dun. Let's check out the boots there. Tapos may tumutugtog din eh. So, check natin. Mga bata mo ba yan, mga kumakanta?
Yeah, so the band is called Pelvis and Friends. Kaya ano Pelvis is because inspired talaga ang roots nila, mga Elvis Presley songs.
Ah, Elvis Presley.
So yeah, according to their parents. And they're all 14-year-olds na student ng Xavier. Come on, let's check them out!
So they have the Brembo parts on display. They have the brake fluids, the big brake calipers, and the brake pads. They also have the Brembo Hot Wheels. Yan, for sale din to, di ba? So yan. A raffle, ayan. And also the Brembo pads are here. So let's check out the Brembo pads. One of our brand partners, Brembo Auto Performance. What's up, A? It's Robert. Hey, Robert. Ayun o. Bakit may floating head? Kasi absent si Boss Rafi. Yan, we miss you, Boss Rafi.
He's with us
all the time. Boss Rafi. Hey. Let's take out the cars here on this side. Ito, puro Yaris. So yung mga friends natin from Yaris. Ayan. Robertans Yaris. Enyos. So we're now here at the PIAA booth. So check out natin kung ano meron dito. They have the PIAA wipers. Ayan, sakto, rainy season ngayon. Kailangan na natin palitan ang ating mga wipers. And also yung mga cleaning kits nila. And let's check out the other booth here. Syempre, Momo steering wheels, our favorite. So they have the prototypo here. Ayan, iba-ibang sizes. And also the Monte Carlos are there. PIAA LED fog lights, yung mga other accessories. Check natin tong isang mga Momo rito. The Momo steering wheels, the Momo Monte Carlos, different colors on the horn buttons. So ayan ito, pagod na magbenta oh. Yun oh.
9K kasama hub.
9K kasama hub.
Yung kotse 420.
Binibenta na pati kotse. Ayun na. Oh, binibenta na yung mag-sorisa daw, no?
Ito pagod na magbenta, ito pagod nang magmahal.
Oy! So Glenn, anong oras ka dumating dito kanina?
Alas 3.
Alas 3?
Trick na trick yung araw, napakainit.
Ay, ako nung dumating ako dito, naabutan ako ng malakas na ulan.
Tapos pila pa sa baba.
So, hindi na kayo nasanay sa akin. Carbo Media, always late! Oh, check out this another Verso Fun Cargo in red. Ganda! Nice Fun Cargo, bro! The GR86. Yan, sarap i-drive niyan. Yeah, technically they're twins with the BRZ. The difference is, yes, the GR86. Kahit naman yun first gen eh. Bumper lang ang nag-iiba. Technically they're identical. So let's check out the booth here. Dito, let's check out here. Ito yung kila Jigs. Check natin yung mga nilatag nila. Oh my God. Heaven. Yung mga nilapag nila Jigs. Hanep. Oh, they have the Toms. They have the TRDs. RPF ones. Pangarap ni Glenn. Pwede naman yung RBT ko.
Toms din naman.
Oo. Mas kuya yun yan. Mas kuya yun.
Toms din eh.
Oh, daming pakalat-kalat na TRD T3 oh, pati doon sa Koto, naka TRD. Yay oh. Oh, tas yung Nismo wheels that they have, TWS. NK, I think that's an NK. Ito, I'm not sure anong wheels to, pero it's nice. Toms, it's a Toms. Toms? Ito, ano ba, Weds? Ito, they have the Sarge short shifters. Teka, magandang gauge to ah. Digital, ano, pang 111? 101?
111 ata.
111, ganda. And mag blue na TE37s. Ito yung mga Wed Sport, SSR, Type C. Yan, dami. Daming bit-bit ah. Marami na bang nabudol? Marami na. Ayan. Madami na umuwi nakangiti. Kaya nga tayo nandito sa swap meet eh. Pumunta tayo dito para nakasmile pa uwi. Diba? Ubus man ang bulsa. Full of smiles naman, di ba? Busog sa pyesa. Ang dami, grabe. Oh, mga Toyota na mga accessories nandito. Original. Malilinis, hindi naninilaw. Not surplus. Brand new old stock. Ayan. Brand new stock. They have the Sparko seats, the Tom's Enjoy seats. Very rare. Pretty sure it's not cheap.
Hindi pang budget meal.
Not budget meal. Pero ayan. So, dito pa lang, busog na tayo. Ang mga Toyota boys. What's up? Ka muna. Let's check out this. They call this the Corolla liftback in orange. Ganda. Rare tong mags na to eh. I think they call this the Tosco. Ganda.
Bagay talaga sa mga ganyan.
Bagay yan. Diyan talaga nilagay yan sa mga 86. Mga luma. Grabe. Ito yung mga old school friends natin. An orange and a blue one. Wooden steering wheel. You can never go wrong. Diba? Ang ganda.
Kahit saan bagay yan eh.
Oh, another old school. Lancer box type. Check this out. Another Corolla. Hold on. Sagasaan pa kami oh. Let's check out this booth. So, anong meron dito? Oh, I'm seeing mech suits. Vintage mech suits. Racing suits. Mga abubot. Oh, what are these, boss?
Brushless fans.
Oh, fans. Wow, brushless.
Yeah.
Universal po ito?
Yes po.
Yes. Oh, nice. And also love the, is this a Prado or an LC?
LC100.
LC100. Ganda. So let's check out the booth there. Let's check out another booth here. Oh my God. Ang daming manibela. So check natin kung anong meron dito. They have a lot. They still have the Benetton. Brand new condition. Mga Nardi. My favorite. Ganda. So yan, mga wooden steering wheel. And the wheels that they have, you know, mukhang pang Lancia. Ganda. Personal steering wheels. Horn buttons. AP Racing na calipers. Yan, no? Big brake kits. Oh my God. Then the boss kits. Yan, mga naghahanap. Dito, madami. Hirap maghanap yan. Pero dito, ayan, ang dami nila. On this side pa, yan. They still have more steering wheels here and harness. Ang dami, ang ganda. Siyempre yung Benetton, no? Oh yeah. And the Gazoo Racing cap. What's up? Kamusta?
Ayos lang.
Ayun, good to see you. Ayun, ikot-ikot lang din kami. Ano dala mong auto?
Yung ever reliable natin bulok na DX.
Nasa. Punta natin. Anong bulok? Hindi ah. Siya may sabi. Hindi naman. Ayan, old school. Yan, the old school DX.
Iron Man car.
Finisher to. Iron Man finisher to. Oh, di ba? Iyabang yan. So, yung mga friends natin, di ba? All sorts, mapa modelo, luma, ayan. Para ito, may bit-bit na ano to eh. Balls. Iron Man finisher to. Check out this old school FJ. Oh, yan oh. Bago yung FJ, ito yung ng pinaka-lolo. Makunat yan. Saka yun, magandang eco din doon, no? Kulay green ba yan or blue? Green. Wow. Oh, let's check out the other cars here. Ayan, may lumang Lancer, maganda, old school din. Euro 2 na front na 111 din, no? Ongoing project yan for sure. And let's check out this Nissan Sentra B12. Boxy looking. Ganda ng wheels. Alright. And let's check out some of the Echo here. Echo cars. One in pink and one in
That's the 86 though.
the yellow or parang gold.
Ito o Yaris.
Pareho lang pare. Actually, ang hirap na rin maghanap ng mga RS parts nito and it's expensive na din. Minsan nga may pera ka na, wala ka pang makikitang pyesa eh. So, kung talaga magbibuild ka din ito, medyo tutuunan mo rin ng pansin and you should know the right people in getting the parts. Let's check out these Vitz. Yan, imported daw to eh. So, converted, I assume. Yes, converted. Tama ba? Yan, kinonvert. But, check natin yung engine niya. Whoa! 1NG ba to? Hindi, no?
1SZ.
1SZ. Turbo? No. Oh, ganyan lang. Pero ano siya, 1.0.
Gusto ko sana yung turbo variant eh, kaso wala, mahirap.
Mahirap pa maghanap. Pero it's nice, oh, di ba? Totoo bang matipid sa gas?
14 sa city.
Sa city? Oh, 40 kilometers sa city. Wow. Pero 1SZ, hindi siya 1NG. Kasi ito yung 1.0.
Japan variant kasi.
3-cylinder ba to? 4 naman, okay. Maliit lang talaga.
Headers cute.
Headers nga, cute eh. Oh. Ang cute ng headers, oh. Headers! Then, syempre ito, the Echo na counterpart. So, ayun. Kaya siya imported kasi nga yung engine niya iba. Came from Japan. Yan. So, ting specs. So, ano? Kaso, Japanese. Ayan, nakalagay dito. 1SZ FE. Ayan. It's a nice build. Ongoing project pa. Marami pang kulang. Wala pang aircon. So, ayan. Ang init. So, ayan, oh. Ongoing. So, looking forward to your project, bro. Sana makita natin na tapos na to in the next couple of months. Oh, ayan. Let's check out this Corolla. Of course, naka-TNA. Di mo ba na-miss yung TNA mo, Brad?
Pagkakita ko kanina, na-miss ko.
Ayan. Si Glenn kasi naka-Corolla din. Tapos ganyan, naka-TNA. Binenta.
Si Piesa Parts.
Ito, ang ganda rin. 111. Oh, si Piesa Parts.
May binibenta siyang dalawang TNA na set. 100K. Isang by 7, isang 6.5.
Wow.
Isang set.
So, what are you trying to say? Bilhin ko na. Tigisa tayo. So, let's check out this 111. Ang ganda. Naka Sparco N1 na wheels. Red lip. Ganda. Meaty. And also, a Vios. Oh, ganda. Naka 16s or 17 siya. Ganda rin. Ayan, let's check out this Yaris. Ayan, ganda rin in red. Hoy! Oh, let's check out this 111. Ah? Wag na. Ba't di mo mapapinturahan to?
Nanawagan po ako sa mga...
O, send Gcash daw para may pampapintura, oh.
0922, tunog-tunog. Kalakalampag.
Ayan, pero looking good. Yeah. Ayos yan. GT bumpers ba pag ganyan?
Oh, ano to? Option to dealer option.
Dealer option. Alright. Nice.
Wala lang fog lamps.
Let's check out this Lancer.
Auto GT Gen 1.
Yan, so Lancer na mga may Evo parts. And the hood, then the wing. Nice, I like this in green.
If he is no friend to me, it's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.
So let's check out the Corolla of our good friend from JJ Auto Works, AE82, AE80. Ano bang code ng tama nito kapag sedan? Pero yan, madiin yan, madiin ang mga pyesa nito. Even the paint job. And check out the hood on this one. Diba? Kompleto yan. Kasi let's check out this Corolla with Tom's na wheels. Yan. Bago maging TNA, ito lang, Tom's Action. Yan.
Hindi na siya new kasi old siya.
Hindi, Action lang naman talaga pangalan niya. Tsaka 14s lang siya dati. Sa TNA na sa new Action na lumabas yung size 15.
Nagkaroon din ng TNA na 14s.
Oh, meron naman. Pero for this one, hanggang 14s lang yan. Ito, yung Gen 1 na MR2 in red. Oh, ganda nung two-piece wheels.
Pati yung Game Boy sa loob, old school.
Oh, may Game Boy sa loob. Nice. Oh, check it out. Oh, check out this Corolla on P1 wheels. Oh, check out. Corolla, busy touring. Parang kay Glenn.
Naka 2cc yan.
2cc. Oh, kilala ni Glenn yan eh. Basta Corolla. Nice. Let's check out the big brake kit on this one. T37s and Brembo big brake kit. We now have Boss Oliver here. Yan, dito nga tayo dinala dito sa Benz na to. Ang ganda. Anong year to? Chedeng. What year was it? 74. What's the body code for this one, sir?
W114.
W114. Ang ganda. 280 Mercedes-Benz. Then, may benta si sir eh. Ano to, sir? Blinds. Venetian blinds. For the classic car. So, ito pala siya. So, ayan o. Sa mga, may mga Benz or mga VIP setup. Ayan.
May mga iba-ibang
Iba-ibang cars. O AE 100 o pang Corolla, AE 92. Volkswagen Corolla.
Beetle.
Wow.
Steve.
So ayan, marami palang options. So ayan, order kayo sir. Sir, do you have a Facebook for this?
Just search for Joe Vargas.
Joe Vargas. Ayan, message nyo si Sir Joe Vargas. Alright, so welcome to Swap Meet. Ooh, check out this Corolla. Touring. Oh, check out this Wigo. Ang ganda oh. With OZ wheels. Sino may sabing hindi maganda setup ng Wigo? Yan, one good example on how to build your Wigo. Ito, taxi. Boss, para. Hey! Stig. Crown Comfort. Ayun, taxi. Akit sa taas. Check natin to. Hello. Ayun, ano mga bentables dito?
Maraming bentables.
Ayan. Pili na. Ang dami. Mga pyesa-pyesa nandito. Gold emblems. Ayan, Subaru, Toyota, OEM wheels, hubcaps. Yan, dami. Anong wheels yun?
Alin po?
Itong itim. OEM din yan?
A111 po.
111, ganda. O, mga coils. Tension na.
180 FE.
Yun, pang 1NG yan?
Apo.
Kailangan ko yan. Reserva. Kaya madalas. So ito, we have the mga, ano to? Chin. Carib chin. Ano, mga grills, Caldina, taillights, Mattings. Yan, JDM Mattings. Yan na. So kung hindi nyo mamaabutan, yeah, this JDM surplus parts. Yan, let's check out our friends here from Chinga. Ayan. Check natin yung booth nila. Ano bang meron dito? Hello. Ito yung mga bago nilang labas na shirt. In red. Anong tawag dito? What do you call this shirt? Anong design? Yan, hide and sprint. Oh, ganda. Also here. But then they have air fresheners.
Black ice po yung set.
Nice. Dunkin' Drive-In. That's nice. Oh, mga air fresheners din. White Rabbit. What's that? Candy?
Candy.
Talaga? Ayan, bibili po ako. Sweet tooth ako. Mahilig ako sa sweets, kaya ako mataba. And the Chinga stickers are here. And on this side, become legendary booth. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Swap Meet. Ayan. Thank you for supporting Swap Meet. Ayan, anong mga shirts. Ito mukhang Grady. Nice. Spoof shirts, ayan. They have. How much for the shirts?
Naka-sale po kami ngayon dito. 550 na lang po.
550. That's nice. What's the biggest size that you have?
2XL.
2XL. Ayan. So guys, so kung hindi mo kayo mabot dito, yan, message them. You can order their shirts. Ang gaganda. Check out the other booth here. So ito, mga abubots, Corolla parts, Toyota parts, work wheels. Oh, ano size to? It looks like a 15. 15 ba?
Yes.
Yan. Ito mga pang 111 ba to? Lancer, halo-halo.
Central Lancer.
Ultra racing bars are here. Headlights. May nabudol ka na ba? Wala pa. Pero okay lang yan. At least nakita nila mayroong mga parts na available na ganyan. So kung hindi man today, maybe in a couple of days after we release the vlog, nakita nila mga naghahanap ng pyesa. So it's a wrap here at Swap Meet. Ayun, umulan. Pero okay lang. Date na rin umulan, so enjoy naman lahat. So maraming benta to si Eric eh. Si Roberto,
Mr. Always Late.
Pero si Eric, daming nabenta. Dami bumenta.
Nasangkat ko.
So ayan, thank you Robert for inviting us for today's Swap Meet.
For coming.
Congratulations for a successful Swap Meet.
Uy, malamig oh.
So, ayan. Thank you for supporting.
Next week, Sunday.
Ay, yun.
Kailan ba lalabas to?
Gagawin ko agad to.
Lalabas ba kayo? Okay,
Gagawin ko agad.
August 11.
Ayun, so, thank you Robert for inviting us. Di ka nakakalimutan.
Kailangan ba bang inviting kayo?
Oh, always welcome. Oh. So, this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey, together with
Smiley
and Robert for Carbon Media. Thank you for watching.
Bulaga.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.